Hello guys and welcome back. Today we're going to talk about analysis techniques. First one's going to be the Phasor analysis. In the prior sections we introduced sinusoidal sources, phasors, and the Phasor representation of some common circuit elements. Phasor analysis also refers to it as sinusoidal steady-state analysis. Involves representing voltage and sinusoidal waveforms as phasors in circuit analysis. Note that in sinusoidal steady-state analysis, all of the voltages and currents will have the same frequency. Therefore, it is only necessary to find amplitudes and phase shifts. The steps of phasor analysis are: first, convert the circuit to the phasor domain, sources to phasors, elements to impedance. Second, use circuit analysis techniques to find relevant voltages and currents. And third, convert the phasor values back to the time domain. As always, thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and see you in the next one.